Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a trap beat on Bandlab application. There's no need for you having an experience in musical instruments. All you need is to just have the loop pack and you're good. So this is a loop pack I got from Bandlab. I'm currently on the Bandlab application, and to anybody who is Bandlab, you know how to get loop and download it and open it, so there's no need for me giving you guys a tutorial. But if you are new to Bandlab, this is what you're gonna do. You click on this plus icon at the left corner, then you scroll down and go to looper. You must have downloaded the looper packs to create a beat, so you click on this check mark here, click on it. These are the packs I have downloaded, and I am into Ricch trap, so you click on it, and this is it here. So I have to just remove one. Yeah, hey. And now to create your beat, you double tap on this side, and this is it. So let me go through all the instruments that is here. Nice. Okay, enough of the play. I was just testing out some of the instruments that are there, and I have seen the instrumentals and beats and keyboards I want to use in this loop back. So let us start creating the beat. So let's start. So to create a beat, you click on this circle, red circle button here. As you can see, it is already playing. So let's begin. I click on the one you want. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that session of me creating a beat. So it is now for us to play the beat and see how it looks like. I do create 3 minutes beats, 2 minutes beat, but because of this is a tutorial, I don't want to waste you guys time on this channel, so let us play it. So guys, that is it. So after this tutorial ends, I'll show you the full beats, and if you want to download it, the download will be in the description. And if you can sing to it and tag me on Instagram, and I will repost it and share it on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.